Is this gonna work?
Hello, Chris. I'm from Jupiter. Where's the hole? Suck it, bitch! Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Where the fuck's that bird?
Let me see it.
No.
I can have this one? Yes? Okay. What the fuck is that?
It's a butter knife.
No, it's not.
It is. It's a butter knife.
What did you do, Pop? You just like, I'm afraid. Oh!
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
You need people like me, so you can put your fucking fingers. Say that's the bad guy. Are you talking to me?
I'm fucking.
Are you
it's not
talking to
working.
me? Hey? You talking to me?
It's a different movie.
Shut the fuck up, okay?
I can't believe I popped the balloon. Did it even go?
How do you stop?
You gotta. I like this song.
Oh man, let's watch that.
I'm not done yet. Hey! Hey! Fuck you! Don't worry about it. Hey! 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 Hey!
The key's right there.
Oh shit, you made me drop the fucking phone! You fucking dickhead!
Where's he going to work?
Yo, lock the door. Hurry, I can't do it. I'm on a bike. He's right there.
He knows how to open it. He knows the code.
No, hold it closed. Hold the thing.
Hold this.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Right now, me and my brother's best friend. We locked him out the door.
The garage is open. Was that my phone?
No, it was this. Go to the garage. Go lock the
What
garage.
what just beeped?
It was this.
Oh. Okay. Ah!
Yo,
Don't yell at me.
he's not here.
He's in the garage.
Go lock.
Oh, the back door's open.
Go lock the doors. Faster.
I'm trying.
Get off the bike.
No! Oh shit! Oh my! Oh my fucking god! Oh shit! Dude, that was fucking epic. How did my iPod get on the floor?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking crazy. Oh shit.
Stop looking at me!
What is it?
Alexis, you forgot something. Alexis! Hey! No, you forgot something! I'm gonna break it! I'm gonna break it! It's broken.
Did you really just fall down?
Shut up.
Oh shit! Why does it smell like pizza down here? Oh. Be cool. Oh my god. Say goodbye!